Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gabby and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a small entryway makeover and an IKEA DIY hack where I'm going to be transforming this IKEA shoe cabinet into a beautiful entryway table for my small entryway. Be sure to hit subscribe if you aren't already. In this channel, you'll find all things home decor, DIY, and everything else in between. If you like this video, don't forget to leave it a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get on with the entryway makeover. So here is my entryway. As you can see, it's really tiny. When you first walk in, directly to your right, there is this electrical panel and old security system that no longer works. I'd really like to get some artwork to cover that up just because it's such a huge eyesore. This entryway is actually right off of my kitchen, and so right in front of you is my pantry, which I did a whole pantry makeover, so you should definitely check that out. Directly to your left, there is a small little wall. Overall, I'm really looking to add some storage to this space so that I can have a place to store my shoes, keys, wallets, things like that. So I found that the best solution for my entryway is this IKEA Trones shoe cabinet. It's only 7 inches deep, which is perfect to fit behind my door. It comes in a set of 2 and has these 2 cabinets, which are perfect for storing your shoes, coats, bags. Since the shoe cabinet is made out of plastic, I want to go ahead and do an easy DIY. I'm going to be mounting the cabinet so that it's off of the floor, and then I'm also going to be adding a wooden top to it, which is going to get rid of the indent inside of it, but it's also going to give it a more expensive and sophisticated look. Alright, so to get started with this DIY, I'm going to start off with the top part of my shoe cabinet. I'm going to grab this piece of wood that I had cut down to 20.5 inches by 7 1/8 inch, and I'm going to start by staining it using this wood stain in the color Special Walnut. I'm painting it with this foam brush and making sure that I paint it in the direction of the grain of the wood. Once your wood is stained, you just want to make sure that you wipe off the excess using a clean rag. So while the wood dries, I'm going to start working on attaching the shoe cabinet to the wall. So the first step to attaching the shoe cabinet is to place it where you want it to go and then remove the drawers from the cabinet. Now I'm just marking out where I'm going to drill my holes using this pencil. I'm using these 50-pound anchors to attach my shoe cabinet just to ensure that it doesn't fall or anything, since I am going to be putting heavier items like my purses and shoes in it. So once your anchors are in, you can go ahead and attach your shoe cabinet to the wall. So now that the shoe cabinet is up, it's time to connect the top wood piece to it. To do this, I'm going to grab these 2 smaller pieces of wood and connect it to the bottom portion of the larger piece so that they sit inside of the indent of the shoe cabinet and prevent the larger piece of wood from moving around. So to do this, I'm going to go ahead and measure out about 1/2 inch from the edge of the larger piece of wood. And then I'm going to attach these smaller pieces to the larger piece using this Gorilla wood glue. I'm going to let that sit and dry for about 30 minutes to an hour. Once the wood glue is dry, I'm just going to go ahead and sit the wooden piece on top of the shoe cabinet. At this point, you can be done, or you can do what I did and add a bit more of wood glue along the edges of the shoe cabinet just to make it extra secure. it's a couple of days later and I got done doing the IKEA shoe cabinet DIY, and now it's time to style my entryway. I picked up a couple of things. I picked up this mirror from IKEA and it's in this gold color. It fits perfectly right above where my key hooks are. However, it's gold, and although I love the color gold, I have a lot of gold throughout my apartment. I hate mixing metals. So the hooks that it's gonna go above are silver, and then I have a couple of decor pieces that are also silver. So I actually want to go ahead and spray paint this mirror black just so that it fits the space better. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, show you all how I style the entryway, and then from there I'll show you all the final review. All right, so I was actually about to sit here and duct tape this whole thing, but I just realized that there's actually little things that you can pop out the mirror with. So I'm gonna pop this out and then spray paint it. Alright, so while the mirror is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on decorating the entryway table. As you can see, I have this really ugly power thing right here and this security system that doesn't work anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover it up. I found a really cute picture. Please hold. I found this super cute picture from IKEA. It's really big, so I can't show you guys the whole thing right now because I'm like 2 feet tall, but as you can see, it has super cute butterflies on it, so I think it's gonna really make this space look a lot cuter and cover up this ugly thing going on right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that up really quick. I got this super cute bowl. I have had it for years. I'm pretty sure it's from Home Goods, and I've been literally waiting years for me to be able to use this bowl for this sole purpose. So right here, I think that a vase is needed. So I have this vase. I have a pothos plant, and whenever it grows out of control, I clip it and put it in here for it to propagate and grow. I'm thinking maybe I can make this the vase I do that with. Let's see. That looks cute. That was the entryway makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up and consider checking out my other IKEA DIY hack. I actually DIY'd a TV stand using the IKEA Calyx system. So I'll definitely leave that video up here in the cards for you and also down below. And as always, be sure to hit subscribe if you like all things home decor. See you guys on the next video. Bye.